lovers! I'm just going to do a quick bike check before the sun goes down. So Ben, this one's for you. This is Olive. She is my Live Intrigue SX 2016 size medium. There you go, Live Intrigue. And most important, the club sticker. We should be getting new ones soon. So we'll start up front. ODI Hans Solo grips. They seem to wear a bit better than the ruffians that I had. Mount for the Garmin, very important for Strava. This says elbows. So that means that I kind of have to keep my elbows up. So I tend to drop my elbows and I need to have them up in a more aggressive position. Dropper lever. This is aftermarket. We've upgraded to the latest giant dropper posts. So this is just a standard giant dropper lever with the shifter style. And we've gone from a 100mm dropper to a 125mm dropper. So coming round to the front, we have the factory standard Sram Guide brakes. But on the front we are now running a 203mm rotor, and on the back we're up to 180. So it was 160, 180, but we're now 180, 203, which gives me that extra stopping power now that I can go a little bit faster. Our forks are RockShox Pikes, 160mm travel up front. I did have Schwalbe's on, but now I'm running specialised butchers on the front and specialised Purgatories on the back. And yeah, they seem to be going pretty good. This is the most annoying thing on the whole bike. I just bought this bottle cage about a week ago, but I can't find a bottle that fits. It rubs on the shock here, it rubs up here. It's just like not quite big enough space, which is really annoying. Moving on, we have 150mm travel in our RockShox Monarch Plus. I think I'm running 170 psi in the rear and 66 in the front. I normally keep this open medium, and the rebound is about in the middle as well. Drivetrain, we're running Sram X1 drivetrain. Had it on for the whole 2 years I've had the bike and had no issues whatsoever. Changed a few chains around, but other than that she's going pretty good. DMR Vault pedals, running way better. Now I changed the pins around and fixed them all up with Loctite. I think that's about it. She goes pretty good. 2 years old now. Haven't had any major issues. So I hope you enjoyed my quick bike check. We do have several more bikes in the shed, so I'll get through those pretty quickly, but I thought I'd show my main girl off first, Olive. So if you have any other suggestions of videos that you would like, please leave them in the comments below and I'll see what I can do. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next time.